It's Stack Pack Sunday, and we've got last week's Stack Pack auctions coming to an end. In fact, the first one just ended, and I just received payment for the first Stack Pack, which is Stack Pack number 20, and $20.50, which is much less than I actually paid for the contents of the Stack Pack. That's what it closed at. If you're not first, you're last. Early auctions, early eBay stores, those are the times to get deals, folks. So definitely come in and grab the deals while they're here, because I don't have a lot of followers on my eBay store right now, and so everybody who's kind of closing on those auctions right now are coming out with some nice deals. So this Stack Pack, if you weren't paying attention, actually includes a sealed rare Generation 1 fractional Geiger 1 gram horizontal rectangular gram, as well as 4 serialized Geiger grams. $20.50, free shipping. That's what this closed at. So I'm going to be sending this one out first thing tomorrow. This one is actually Stack Pack number 22. Yeah, Stack Pack number 22. This was Stack Pack number 21. Stack Pack number 22 actually contains a sealed 5 gram Geiger Generation 1 fractional, as well as a 1 gram Generation 1, as well as 3 1 gram serialized squares by Geiger. So that's some cool stuff. This one's actually just about to end, so if you're watching this, you are too late, because it's already, by the time I get this video uploaded, this will have already closed. There's only 3 minutes left on this, and this is also only bid up to $20.50, which is pretty crazy, because contents of this is worth more than the first one. So let's see, in this 3 minutes, let's see if there's anybody who will swoop in to bid this up a little bit more. There's 15 bids on it so far, believe it or not. Looks like the person in the lead on this one is the same person who is in the winner of this one. So that's pretty cool stuff. But anyways, we'll see. There's 5 different bidders on this, so we'll see if it closes in time. So we'll see. This one might end up closing for $20.50. We've also got all these other Stack Packs that are going to be closing today. The same thing as this kind of, but it's got only 2 1 gram serialized squares, a 1 gram Generation 1, 5 gram Generation 1, and this one's also got a 20 gram Generation 1. This one so far has been bid up to, let's take a look, let's find out. This one's been bid up to, let's take a look, active, ending soonest. This one's been bid up to $41. And let's see how many bidders there are on this one. 6 different people bidding on this one. So yeah, let's take a look. We'll see how this one does. This one's still got another 1 hour and 50 minutes left on it. So, the Stack Packs keep getting bigger. You got everything that I mentioned before, plus a 1 ouncer, everything I mentioned before, plus a 50 grammer. So this is where, number 25 is definitely the cream of the crop as far as past week's Stack Packs go. And this is one that I threw in there early last week, which is a nice little BTC gram auction. So this is something that people tend to like for some reason. They like the BTC grams. This one's already been bid up to $27. Still got another 6.5 hours, so we'll see how that one goes. Anyways, I want to also let you know about the new Stack Packs that we got up. I just started putting them up. We got a nice little fractional, which is a fractional set here, which is pretty cool. This one's got a 1/2 ounce 2015 Mexican Libertad, as well as a 1/10 ounce Buffalo, as well as a 1 gram commemorative American Prospector round. So that's pretty cool. This is actually Stack Pack number 27, and so I just put this one up for bid earlier today. I think there's only 1 bid on it, so right now it's only bid up to $1. Only 1 interested person, I guess, in this one so far. These are some vintage bars. First time I'm including some nice vintage bars in the stack packs. Managed to get my hands on some Engelhards as well as some Johnson Matthey 1-ounce bars. So I've coupled those with a 4X 1 gram Valcapi Swiss Combi bars. So you can have a little bit of satisfaction breaking apart those Combi bars. That's always real fun to do. So that's number 28 and number 29. I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do for number 30. I'm definitely putting up stack pack number 30 today. These ones are already up. I don't think anybody had bid on these, at least last time I checked. So these are still no bidders, $1 start. So feel free to bid on these if you like. This one is an ultra toner. Look at the blueness on this one. So this one, you know, some people may be turned off by the toning there, but I personally think it's very, very beautiful. It's super, super blue. And so, you know, if that's your thing, if toners are your thing, this may be your chance to potentially get a nice toner, and who knows, maybe a nice price too. So we'll see. Well, that will be seen next week. We'll find out. We'll find out next week. This is a piece of mail that I've been eagerly awaiting. In fact, it's something that I had almost gotten, and then for whatever reason it got sent back. I don't know why. And then finally I managed to get a resend back to me, and so very, very excited to open this one up. So let's take a look and see what we got inside. It's a hefty one. Alright, very nice. This actually has the original label on it from the original ship, because it was sent and then sent back and then resent. So I guess that it needs to go through 2 labeling processes. In fact, I was almost thinking about canceling this because I was so sick of the headache that we were dealing with. But you know, the seller was, you know, he was happy to work it out, and so I patiently waited, and I'm glad I did. Hopefully, I'm glad I did. We'll see. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Thank you. Thank you for, I guess, sorry for the inconvenience. So you gave me a nice crisp $20 bill. That service right there, that's freaking awesome. I'm already happy. Wow, how nice. Check this out. I'm very happy. Look at this. Look at this. So what is this? It's partial XR error bar. Check it out, guys. This is an error bar. And I managed to actually get my hands on a few of these error bars, and these come at a hefty premium, let me tell you. When they are up for auction, people do go crazy over them, and I managed to find somebody who had a couple of them, and he had them up for sale, and so I had to grab them because I had an opportunity to grab a few at a time. So I got these error bars on Engelhard, and I'm super, super glad to have multiple of them now, because it really stinks when you have a really cool thing but you're not able to part with any of them at any point, and so now I'm never going to have to worry about that. Well, not that I'm trying to part with any of these right now, I'm just saying it's always nice to have a duplicate. And let's take a look at the differences between these error bars, because that first one had some really nice bubbling. These ones, not so much. This is definitely my favorite of the bars so far. Let's take a look at the last one. Yep, this one's also pretty normal. I'm very, very excited about this pickup. I'm especially excited about this because I am trying to stack cash lately. Been spending a lot of money on this and not been saving a lot of this. So this is helping me out a lot, actually, a lot more than this guy understands, and so I'm very actually appreciative for this. Normally I'm not that appreciative of this. I'm always going around saying F this, but lately I've had a new appreciation for this, and so I'm super, super excited that he was able to sort that out as well. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this one. Cheers. And go bid on some auctions, folks. Cheers.